Hello everyone, I'm Subhash Karthik. Today our topic is power vocabulary, and today we'll focus more on English conversation. So many times we meet with our colleague, our friends, and we do some casual conversation. Casual conversation, okay? So today we'll do practice some casual conversation in our normal life, how we converse with people. Okay, so today our topic is very interesting, that is casual English fluent conversation. Okay, let's go ahead then. Conversing in English is fun, absolutely. You know, the day you will be speaking and you will be conversing with anyone in English, I think that would be a fun. जब आप English में बहुत अच्छे से बात करोगे, you will feel a lot of fun. बहुत अच्छा आपको लगेगा, because this is not your language, this is an international language. और एक ऐसा दिन जब आप बहुत naturally लोगों के साथ बात करोगे, you will feel really very good. And you know, if you know how to converse, you can surely go along with that person for a long conversation. And you know, when you will speak very good and you will converse very nice, you will see that conversation will go for a long time. आपको भी पता नहीं चला कि आप इंग्लिश में इतना लंबा कन्वर्सेशन चला दिए. So we should really know how to converse with people. So guys, today we'll talk about 5 casual conversation that matters. 5 casual conversation that matters. Okay, so we'll talk about 5 such conversation. Okay, let's go for the first one. Okay, this is a situation. This is the situation. Please look at the situation. When you meet someone somewhere whom you were not expecting. Suppose आप कहीं पे गए हो शॉपिंग करने या कहीं पे, and you meet with a person जिसको आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे. So the time you will see that person, आप उसको क्या बोलोगे? Anybody? Any idea? You can raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Okay, let's see. Kanchan is raising, and yeah, Kanchan.
What a pleasant surprise.
What a pleasant surprise. Yes, very good, very nice. What a pleasant surprise. Yes, because we are surprised to see that person. I'm very happy, Kanchan. Very nice, very good. Any more option? Any more option? Okay, Neha is wanting to say something. Yeah, Neha.
Surprised to see you.
Surprised to see you. Very good. Very good. Prisha.
Sir, I am bewildered to meet you after a long time.
Hey, bewildered mat kijiye. Bewildered is not used in a so pleasure moment. Bewilder means when you are so confused. You are not sure about it. You are not happy. Bewildered is not an happy thing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You people are saying the right thing, but bewildered wala हमको सही नहीं लगा. I'm giving you a very nice sentence. So what brings you here? So yes, जो कंचन ने बोला what a pleasant surprise, उसके बाद आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो. So what brings you here? So अरे आप यहाँ पे कैसे? जब ऐसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अरे यहाँ पे कैसे? That is called. So what brings you here? अब now the next conversation could be, इसको बोलने के बाद हो सकता है कि आपको ये भी बोलना पड़े. Next added sentence could be, hey, do you come here often? क्या आप यहाँ पे daily आते हो? So these are some conversation that we can use while we talk with some people whom we were not expecting in that particular situation. So first हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, hey, it's a pleasant surprise. So what brings you here today? What brings you here today? But again, आपकी body language बहुत important है. What brings you here today? It will be a lot of surprise and a very nice excitement you have. And yes, next added sentence is, hey, do you come here often? क्या आप daily आते हो यहाँ पे? The body language, आपकी जो body language होगी वो बहुत happy होगी and very surprised होगी. You know, you're very surprised to see that person. So next time when you see anyone, you can start with it, you know, so what brings you here? But mind it, your body language plays a great role. यहाँ पे आपकी body language, what brings you here में वो smiling and excitement नहीं रहेगा तो वो फिर वो it will not sound natural. वो natural sound नहीं करेगा. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, anybody having any question? We'll talk about that. Right now, please be a good listener and listen everything. Yes. Let's go for the next. When someone gives a wonderful idea and you appreciate that person by saying what it could be. Can you raise your hand and give me some ideas? Don't think about right, wrong. You just express. Yes, Asha Rani.
Sir, brilliant idea. You give me a brilliant idea.
You give me a brilliant idea. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, Harshala Gandhi.
Oh, I appreciate you. You have given a wonderful idea to me.
Very good. Very good. I appreciate your idea, or you have given a wonderful idea. Ratna.
What a great idea.
What a great idea. What a great idea. Very nice. Is there anybody who is thinking in a different way now? Can anybody give any different idea you feel like? Okay, let's go to Poonam Shukla.
Thanks for your valuable advice. या thanks for your nice idea. Valuable advice जो भी उसमें भी sense में ले सकते हैं.
Thanks for the valuable idea. Okay, you know, whenever we say thanks and we talk about these valuable ideas, these are more formal sentences, formal words. And right now we are focusing more on the casual English. जो हमारे normal casual English में हम लोग उसमें क्या बोल सकते हैं? So let's see. I have got one idea, one example. A is brilliant. Very good. Sharath is writing. It's amazing idea. Very good. Very good, Sharath. Prisha. Wow, what's a great idea? Shogato has written here. Very nice. Okay, let's go for, I'm giving you one option. ये कोई best option नहीं है, but ideal option हो सकता है. You know what? That's a great idea. You know what? That's a great idea. See, आप ये एक बना बनाया आपका format है. So if you practice this every time, you can use this. Hey, you know what? That's a great idea. So we can use this particular statement there at that time. हम लोग सिर्फ ये नहीं बोलेंगे that's a great idea, that's a brilliant idea. एक होता है ना उसको initiate करने के लिए, you know what? That's a great idea. That's a brilliant idea. वो great idea हो, brilliant idea हो, you know, marvelous idea हो, that is up to you. But उसको start करने के लिए you can say like that. Hey, you know what? That's a great idea. You should go on. And you know, next added sentence, इसके बाद जो आप sentence बोलोगे वो हो सकता है let's make it happen. इसको start करते हैं. Let's bring it on. Let's bring it on. क्योंकि जब आप बोलते हो किसी को कि that your idea is very nice, so अब इस idea को execute करना पड़ेगा आपको. वो idea को बस दिमाग में नहीं रखना है. You have to execute that idea. So you can simply say, wow, let's bring it on. Bring it on. उसको apply करते हैं अपने life में. Let's bring it on. Or, you know, let's make it happen. So you can use this. Your body language will be very happy, excited, and complimenting other person. Your body language will be, देखिए जो picture आप देख रहे हो, the body language is also showing that that person is complimenting that person. So that body language is also very much important. Oh, let's make it happen. Let's bring it on. So in these situations, of course, see, there are many statements, but here the statement which I have mentioned, that is, you know what? That's a great idea. Let's make it happen. Okay, let's go for the next one. Situation is, when you try to fix up time with other person to do something or meet or talk, you fix a specific time and you say, जब आप किसी के साथ कोई टाइम को लेके डिस्कस करते हो कि इस टाइम पे मिले या उस टाइम पे मिले, सो और आपके पास एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम हो गया, हाँ चलो फिर हम लोग संडे मिलते हैं, ओके लेट्स मीट ऑन मंडे, उस सिचुएशन में हम उसको कैसे प्लेस कर सकते हैं? यस, एनीवन? Anybody? You raise your hand. Okay, Kanchan is raising hands. Okay, yes, Kanchan.
See you on Monday.
See you on Monday. Absolutely. See you on Monday. Very good. Very nice. What else? What else? See, you raise your hand. I'm seeing everybody. Okay, Sharmila Sen. Sharmila.
Sir, catch you on Wednesday.
Okay, we'll catch you. We'll catch you on Monday. We'll catch you on Monday. Very good.
Monday.
Very nice. This is also very nice. See, I'm not looking for the best answer. हाँ, तो अगर दिमाग में आपके है तो आप definitely share करो. Don't think much. What else we can use? Okay, Poonam Shukla.
Be there on Monday.
Be there on Monday. Okay, fine. We can say that. Be there on Monday. Be there on Monday मतलब आप सामने वाले को बोल रहे हो तुम वहां पे रहना. हम यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि let's मिलते हैं हम लोग. चलो संडे मिलते हैं यहाँ. You know, let's make it. So what else we can say in this case? Okay, let's go for the sentence which I have mentioned in the sentence here. Okay, I think some people have written here, let's meet on Monday, meet you on Monday. I'm very excited to meet you on this Monday. Manvi has written here. Sharat, can I freeze your time? Very good, Sharat. It's a good sentence. Can I freeze your, but again, freeze your time matlab wo time ko aap, you know, you want to say that please have that time, you know, don't give time to anyone. So yeah, indirectly that is also possible. Okay, so I have to leave. Okay, okay, friend. Okay, let's go ahead. The sentence I can use here. Let's connect on Sunday. Let's connect on Sunday. Let's connect on Sunday. So we can, sometimes we say connect. This is also a nice word, a very casual English. We can use this word and very accepted. Let's connect on Monday. Let's connect on Monday. Yeah, Monday milte hain. Let's connect on Monday. Now my question is, yeah, the preposition I have used on Monday. But if I say कि चलो भाई 4 बजे मिलते हैं, 4, then what could be what preposition should I use? Yes. Okay, Smita has written at. Most of the people have written at only. Okay, suppose अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं कि दोपहर में मिले, afternoon, then what preposition I can say? Let's connect. Afternoon, उसके बीच में क्या होगा? What do you think? Some people have written in the afternoon. Okay, at noon, in the afternoon, in afternoon, at noon. Okay, fine. Okay, if I say कि जुलाई में मिलते हैं, let's connect. जुलाई के पहले क्या होगा? वो कौन सा preposition हम लोग यूज करेंगे? If I say in July, okay, in July, on in चल रहा है अभी फिलहाल. Okay, let's see what could be the ideal one. The ideal one is, let's connect on Sunday, but I can also say, there are some example. Let's connect in July. Let's connect at 7:30 p.m. Let's connect sometimes next week. Let's connect in the afternoon. In the afternoon. at noon could be it is not right. It is not wrong, sorry, at noon. But normally while in speaking English, we say, in the afternoon, in the morning, in the afternoon. At noon, normally we don't prefer to say that. So in July at 7:30, sometimes next week in the afternoon. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Number 4, I'm giving you the situation and I want some person who have not, said till now, presented. So let's give them opportunity. So next situation is when you meet someone for the first time, but you knew the person before from someone else or media. Suppose आप किसी के साथ मिल रहे हो जिसको आप जानते नहीं थे, लेकिन उसके बारे में सुने बहुत हो. तो जब आप उसके साथ पहली बार मिल रहे हो, तो आप कैसे उसको बोलोगे कि मैं आपको ऑलरेडी जानता हूँ, आपके बारे में मैंने सुना है. Yes, Menaka, you want to say? You can unmute yourself.
It's nice to meet you. I heard about you.
Yes, it's nice to meet you. I heard about you. Very good. Yes, very good, Menaka. Is there anything? Yes, Rupa.
Sir, it is glad to meet you. I heard about you.
Yeah, glad to meet you. I've heard about you. Very nice. Very good. Anything extra, anything added? Yes, Poonam, Taneja.
Sir, it's my pleasure to meet you.
It's my pleasure to meet you. So, आप इसको इतना बड़ा नहीं करो. We don't say it's my pleasure to meet you. समझ जाएगा कि आपने spoken English class किया है. So don't say that. You should say it. It's pleasure meeting you. It's pleasure meeting you. Normally in spoken English हम लोग उतना नहीं बोलते कि I feel pleasure meeting you. So it's pleasure meeting you. It's pleasure meeting you. और it's भी बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. Pleasure meeting you. Simply say it's pleasure meeting you. Don't say I feel great pleasure to meet you. समझ जाएगा जरूर कहीं पे talk दिया होगा. We don't have to say, honor, it's an honor to meet you. Absolutely right. Let's go ahead and see the sentence what I have made it here. Glad to meet you. Okay, it's honor to meet you. Nice to meet you. I heard about you. Okay, see the sentence. I've heard a lot about you. I heard a lot about you. और आप ये भी बोल सकते हो I heard so much about you. I have heard a lot about you. और I have heard, I have होगा, I have heard a lot about you. I heard नहीं बोलने का, I heard नहीं बोलने का, that is past indefinite. In this particular stage, we have to say, I have heard a lot about you. That's more better. I've heard a lot about you. Or I heard so much about you. अगर सामने वाला आपको बोले, अच्छा क्या सुना है आपने मेरे बारे में? What have you heard about me? तो फिर आप क्या बोलोगे? What will you say? Okay, Asha Rani, yes, tell me.
You are very intelligent girl.
Okay.
A knowledgeable person. Your knowledge is spread about.
Yeah, absolutely, Asha. Absolutely, Asha. That is right. But see, दिमाग में रखिए, जरूरी नहीं कि हम उसके बारे में आगे बहुत कुछ सुने हैं. It is a way of complimenting someone कि भाई मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है, लेकिन हो सकता है कि मैंने उतना नहीं सुना है. मुझे I don't know the specific that he is intelligent or he is brilliant or he is a manager or he is a powerful bodybuilder. I don't know. ये एक अच्छे वे से सामने वाले को कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना होता है कि I've heard about you. हो सकता है कि नाम सुना होगा लेकिन ज्यादा कुछ नहीं पता, तो उतना इंटेलिजेंट है या उतना कुछ बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. Yes, any input here? If that person says, what have you heard? Yeah, Neha, you want to say something?
How can I start?
Suppose the, आप मेरे को अगर बोलते हो कि sir, I have heard about you. फिर मैं आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अच्छा, you have heard about me. What have you heard? या नेहा क्या बोलेगे आप सोचोगे तो समझ जाएगा कि आपने डायलॉग मारा है एकदम, और कहीं से सीख के बोल दिया आपने, या शरद, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? या शरद? Sharath, your voice is not reaching me. Okay, Shweta, you want to say something, Shweta?
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
you are scintillated person.
You're a scintillated person, okay. Lekin, okay, fine, okay, I'm taking it. Ab wrong to ho nahi. Yes, any other, okay, Poonam Shukla wants to say something. Yeah, Poonam ji.
Sir, nothing bad, but I must say whatever I have heard, you match with it.
वो नथिंग बैड बोल दिया ना, वो समझ जाएगा कि बैड है, वो बैड वर्ड को यूज ही नहीं करना। इफ यू से नो नथिंग बैड, वो समझेगा तब तो बैड ही होगा जरूर, यू नो। So that bad word should not be used in that case. Yeah, Chandrika, you want to say something, Chandrika?
You are simply superb.
Okay, you are simply superb. Okay, fine, very good. Any more? Otherwise, I'll go. Okay, Kanchan. Or Kanchan will say. Please unmute yourself, Kanchan.
You are a famous personality.
You are a famous personality. Okay. Yeah, Nandita, you want to say?
You are so popular in our area and as popular speaker.
Okay, fine. See, normally, you know, whenever, most of the time, you will speak this sentence when you don't know that person much, but you have heard about it. So आपको उसके बारे में पता नहीं है जो क्या scintillated है कि ventilated है. You don't know anything. Okay, so when you are not sure, but ये एक होता है, you know, सब आपको भी अगर कोई बोले कि मैं, you know, निशा खुराना जी आपके बारे में तो मैंने सुना है, सो यू नो, तो ऐसा नहीं कि उनको बहुत कुछ पता है, लेकिन इससे निशा खुराना को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. ये एक वे होता है सामने वाले को कॉम्प्लीमेंट देने की, यू नो, आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट यू. सो इन दैट केस नेवर टेल एनी स्पेसिफिक क्वालिटी. नेवर से कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी है इसीलिए मैं जानता हूं, या आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट, यू नो, योर फैमिली, और नो, नेवर से लाइक दैट. सिंपली व्हाट यू कैन से, नो, एक ओवरऑल, जैसे पूनम शुक्ला जी ने बोला कि नथिंग नेगेटिव, लेकिन वो नेगेटिव फॉर्म में बोल दिया उन्होंने, उसी को आपको पॉजिटिव में बोलना है. सपोज इफ दैट पर्सन सेज, हे व्हाट हैव यू हर्ड, सिंपली यू कैन से ओनली गुड थिंग्स एंड ओनली गुड थिंग्स. This is a simple way you can reply that person, you know, only good things, don't worry, only good things. And be polite. When you say this, you have to be very polite and you have to speak with a smiling face. So it will sound very, very good. It will sound very good in that case. See, we are doing a very normal conversation, जो हमारे normal life में होता है. And this kind of conversation ना आपको एकदम याद रखना पड़ेगा. You have to basically, you know, I've heard about you. You know, it's great meeting you. We have seen, you know, let's connect. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Let's meet. So connect is a nice word. You know, you can say, hey, that's a great idea. You know what? Then we have heard about, you know, so what brings you here today? So these are the very casual English conversation that we can normally use it. Okay, so only good things. And so this is a way of saying, you know, only good things. And so this is the way we say it. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll see the last conversation of the day. And that is, when you really feel interested to know about someone's plan for this weekend, आपको किसी के वीकेंड्स के प्लान के बारे में जानना हो, what will you say? होता है ना कभी, अरे यार इस वीकेंड में क्या कर रहे हो बताओ. So normally, so many times we say अपने दोस्तों से या किसी से, you know, we say, अरे यार, what's your plan? So how can you say this to your friends or colleague, anyone? Yes. Don't think about right answer. I just want that you should give some input on it. Sharath, you want to say something?
I'm so curious about your.
I'm so curious about. Yeah.
Weekend plan.
Okay, your weekend plan. I'm so curious about your weekend plans. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay, let's Komal, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Anything special for this weekend?
Anything special for this weekend? Okay. Yeah, Menaka, you want to say?
Are you free at this weekend?
Okay, are you free? See, if you say, are you free? That means you want to meet that person.
That person.
But हमको यहाँ पे meet नहीं करना है. I just want to know about somebody's weekend plan. But कहीं ना कहीं जब हम किसी के weekend plan को पूछ रहे हैं ना, तो कहीं ना कहीं intention है कि शायद I'll be meeting that person.
I'll be meeting.
But मैं उसको directly place नहीं करूँगा. मैं directly नहीं place करूँगा that can you tell me your weekend plan, or I want to know your weekend plan. So वो समझेगा कि you want, तो वो directly नहीं करना है उसको. Okay, so what else? Chandrika, you want to say? Please unmute yourself.
What's your plan on this weekend?
What's your plan on this weekend? Okay, I think some sentences have reached to the, what's your plan on weekend? Nisha Khurana. Okay, what about this weekend? Neha. Shubhamita, what will you do this weekend? Okay. Hey, what are you doing this weekend? Very nice. Absolutely. I'm excited. What's your plan for weekend? अरे भाई उसका weekend plan. I am excited क्यों भाई? शर्मिला सेन. ऐसा लग रहा है वो आपको लेके जाएगा कहीं पे. See, when you are asking it, so it's not always sure that आप उसको ये बोल रहे हो कि मैं भी चलूंगा या मैं भी चलूंगी. You are excited to know about it. Okay, let's see. I have a good sentence here. What your plans for the weekends? Easy. What your plans for the weekends? What are you going to do in this weekend? Okay, Savita has written this. Okay, what your plans for the weekend? But the sentence you are seeing right now, what your plans for the weekends, यहाँ पे दो गलतियां हैं. In this sentence, there are two minor mistakes. Can anybody notice that? Manvi, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. What are your plans for this weekend?
Okay, so you want to say there should be one are verb. What are your weekend? What are your plans? Is it Manvi?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
R will be there. And what is the next?
And sir, there will be weekend, not weekend.
Okay, there will be weekend, not weekends. Absolutely right, Manvi. Very nice. I'm very happy to know from you, Manvi. Very good. Weekend. The weekends nahi hoga. This will be what are your plans for the weekend? It's S will not be there. What are your plans for the weekend? Weekend. हाँ, weekends नहीं. हम लोग कभी कभी क्या होता है, Saturday, Sunday होता है ना, तो हम लोग सोचते हैं उसको S लगा देते हैं, weekends. So it's not weekends, it's weekend. That's weekend. So what are your plans for the weekends? Okay, so this is the sentence. This is the right sentence. Very good. Yeah, this weekend is also right, Shubhamita. What's your plan for this weekend? That is also right sentence. Other way you can also ask, what are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? You can say this also. What are you doing this weekend? You can say this also. What are you doing this weekend? Or you can say, how do you plan to spend the next few days? How do you plan to spend the next few days? अब ये सिर्फ weekend का नहीं है. You want to plan for the near future also for few days. So how do you plan to spend the next few days? So we can say like this also. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the topic. The topic is, I went for a trip to, so you have to write the name of a place where you went. And guess whom did I meet? The topic is I went for a trip to के बाद आप जहां पे गए थे, अगर नहीं गए थे तो बनाना पड़ेगा वो. I went for a trip to Manali and guess whom did I meet? किससे मिला, you know? So this is the topic and I am giving you 5 minutes time to prepare your topic. By the time, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Yeah, Tanushi, you can unmute yourself.
I went for a trip to that place and guess whom did I meet means
किससे पता है किससे किससे मिला मैं किससे मिला तो उतना आपको नहीं बोलना है तो आप सिंपली बोलोगे I met with that person.
किससे मिला है?
हाँ, किससे मिला आपने और क्या हुआ, क्या बातचीत हुई, क्या किया आपने, everything that moment, because this is the conversation. This is a conversation, so you have to use some conversation talk here. Okay, so your timing, the time is running. So prepare yourself and then you have to speak. Those who will not get time to speak here, they can record their voice and they can send it to me. So once you are ready, you can write your name in the chat box so that I can give you the opportunity. So I can give few people the opportunity to speak. And I really want that most of the people should speak. If you're not getting opportunity today, at least you should record and send. Don't think about grammar. Don't think about, anything which is not important. Think about that I will speak my best.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can I leave this meeting?
Okay,
because
okay.
Because today I'm not well. I got my vaccine yesterday, sir.
Okay, fine,
but,
Ratna.
But I don't want to miss your class. That's why I joined this class today.
It's okay, Ratna. No issues. You can record it. You can record and send it to me, Ratna. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Ratna.
Bye,
okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, anybody who wants to speak, they should write their name so that they get their opportunity to speak. Okay, I'm just coming in 2 minutes. Abhi bhi 2 minutes aise hi baki. I'm just coming. Wow, I got the name, the first name, Asha Rani Paul. I was not expecting this name. I'm very happy to see. That's so good. Let's see the time, how much time is left. Okay, only 1 minute is left. 30 seconds to go.